Hello students, welcome to class. Today I turned on my Instagram and I saw a man cooking a dog. All you could see in the pot was the dog's head sticking out. Later you see him putting sauce on the dog's ear and taking a big bite out of it. He did all of this with great enthusiasm and showmanship. Have you ever eaten a dog? Why not? What stops you? What's the difference between a dog and a cow or a chicken or a lamb or a turkey or a cat? Why do people feel the need to eat any animals when they live near a store? Why do people feel the need to hurt others, to make a joke out of it? What is your theory about people's lack of empathy? Did you know that pigs feel pain as much as dogs do, and cats do, and any other animal? Did you know that pigs are actually smarter than dogs? In tests, they can do puzzles quicker than a dog can. Did I say that I saw him eating a dog? Oh, I'm sorry. I meant pig. I saw him eating a pig. This new year, why not try to be a compassionate person? It takes nothing from a human to be kind to an animal. Don't eat anyone. Don't hurt them. Apply the principle of empathy. Do not let the world break your heart or change who you are. You're kinder than this. You're braver than these people who care only about views and don't care at all about the suffering of others. Thank you for being kind. If you have a heart, still, somewhere beating in your chest, and you feel like I do, that there is so much harm and so much sadness, but you really want to help, subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell, and help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.